Welcome back. We are now going to look for different search results using the same term. Now, in some cases, you may find that the numbers may not necessarily be different, or they may not necessarily coincide with finding what look to be more limited search results. What we're trying to do is to find more relevant search results. So in this particular case, we're going to use the term all in text. And all in text actually is written in at the beginning of a search term, and a colon is used. You can actually put a space in there. What's going to happen is we're going to hit enter, and then we're going to get a different set of search terms. And what we're saying is that we want these three terms to definitely be on the page. Now we can also use a similar term, and we can use the term in text. Now in text is slightly different. You're going to notice that the search results are actually going to change. And so in this case, making sure that you eliminate the space in between the colon and the actual words will make a difference when you're using the in-text command. So again, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get a limited number of more relevant results. And these terms, you're saying to Google, show me the results, but only if they have all these three words together. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.